Get ready to jump away from glass flying at your face. 3, 2, 1. What's up, and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're gonna find out if a light bulb can survive a 50-foot drop into a pool of Oobleck. This is a 4-foot wide pool, about 4 inches deep of Oobleck. This is extremely fragile glass. I really am doubting that it will survive. Post your opinion in the top right. I say no. I don't think so. Well, especially with my aim, I'm probably gonna miss again. Wow, this thing is light. The wind is gonna take it a little bit. Get ready to jump away from glass flying at your face. I'm just saying. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! We hit it off the edge of the pool. Oh. Okay, so the first one hit the wall first and then into Oobleck. So we're gonna try a second light bulb. Here we go, oh my God. 3, 2, 1. That was really close to me. Here comes light bulb number 3. This is the magic one. See if we can get right on the glass. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Okay, here comes that light bulb, head first, exactly how I wanted it, and boom!
Dude, there's like not even a shockwave to that. It's like so minute, such a tiny little
shockwave, and just a tiny dusting of Oobleck flying everywhere.
It's just so light, but it's so fragile too, though.
It's so light. Oh! He hates puns. He just made a pun that would make his dad so proud. I am pretty blown away right now that it was just completely okay.
Dude, that is 50 feet in the air, like a light, thin little piece of glass.
Right?
Just like falling down from that height. It may be light, but that's still just so fragile.
Well, the metal end on it is actually pretty heavy.
Yeah.
But the glass itself is just so thin and light, like you barely touch it. It seems like it breaks these days. When you're putting it in the socket, it freaking breaks. But it's able to do a 50-foot fall without breaking.
Well, and that's like the worst way that this thing can like fall too. It was like on the head.
Straight down.
Straight on the head.
Freaking epic. Now I also did an egg drop and a Galaxy S9 in Oobleck. The S9, a little different.
It's a little bit different.
But you feel free to go check out the S9 Plus drop test, kind of on Oobleck. What do you guys think we should drop in the pool of Oobleck next? Let me know what you guys think we should drop in the comments down below, and maybe we'll drop those things in some upcoming videos. I can't believe this light bulb survived.
I wasn't expecting it to.
I'm gonna be honest, I really wasn't expecting it to. Hecka impressive. And of course, I'm giving away an iPhone 10 for the month of June, so link down below for that in the top comment, or whatever I'm currently giving away. I'll update that top comment. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Brandon and Darren out. Good catch.